I'm going to show you how to make this Y necklace out of beautiful pearls, chain, and a circle link. I have a bowl of beautiful gray silver pearls with high luster. I'm picking out 2 pearls that are somewhat even in size and shape. To get started making this necklace, you're going to need chain, 2 pearls, 4 5mm jump rings. You'll need 2 gold spacer beads, 2 headpins, and these are 3 inches long. You'll need an extension chain, a clasp, 2 6mm jump rings, and you'll need your circle. For tools, you'll need flush cutters, round nose pliers, and chain nose pliers. Oh, and you will probably need a ruler. For the dangles, I'm cutting my chain 1.5 inches and 1 inch. I already wire wrapped 1 pearl, so let me show you how to do the other pearl. I'm using a 3-inch head pin. I'm going to put my spacer bead on here, drop it to the bottom, add my pearl. Now I'm going to wire wrap the top. So I'm going to come in with my chain nose pliers, pinch it down at the top of the pearl, bring the wire to the back, switch out for my round nose pliers, bring the wire up, over, down, rotate my pliers, and bring the wire to the back. Now I'm going to take my chain nose pliers and pinch down the loop that I just made. I'm going to open the door, add my chain, I'm going to pinch down the loop that I just made, and now I'm going to use my bent chain nose pliers and wire wrap around. I'm going to cut off the excess. Pinch down the little burr. I'm going to open up a jump ring. Slip on my pearl and attach it to my ring and close it up. I'm going to do the other side too. Open up my jump ring. Attach my pearl. And hang it on my ring. So there's the bottom dangle. What I want to do is match the chain color to my ring. So I'm using the same chain as this. So I'm going to cut, I want 16 inches, so 8 inches on each side, and then I'm going to put a clasp on and extension chain. So I need 8 inches, which will be right here. So let me cut this. Okay, I'm going to measure this out. And cut it right there. So I'm going to take my jump ring. I need 2 jump rings, 1 for each chain, for each side. Then I'm going to add my extension, and I have my clasp. So to put this together, I'm going to take my jump ring. I'm going to put it through my chain, add the clasp, and close it up. So let's put this side aside and work on this one. We're going to add our jump ring to the end of our chain. Slip on the extension and close this up. Okay, so we have both of the ends done. Now we're going to work on attaching the chain to our ring. So what we need are a couple of jump rings. And I want to use the smaller jump rings because I don't want this to be very conspicuous that it's attached there. I'm going to use the same jump rings I'm using here. So these are tiny. Well, not tiny, they're 5 millimeters. So let's get a jump ring. Attach that to the chain. Attach that to the ring. And close this up. Do the same with the other side. Give that a pinch to secure it. So pretty. And there you have your beautiful Y pearl necklace. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.